First, let's create a cleaner drafting environment. By default, AutoCAD can feel visually noisy and distracting, especially for beginners. I personally prefer using a white background because it feels closer to paper and makes hierarchy easier to judge. I also like turning off the grid to reduce visual noise and keep the workspace clean. Now let's move to one of the biggest differences between beginner and professional drawings: hierarchy. If your line weight's on, this instantly makes your drawing more readable and helps you understand how the final drawing will feel when plotted. Professionals don't choose colors randomly. Colors are usually connected to plotting behavior and line weight systems to create consistency across the project. And if you want to learn how I created this exact presentation style, check out the previous tutorial linked below. Another thing professionals constantly do is check drawings in layout while working. First, open Page Setup and switch the plot style to monochrome. Then make sure Display Plot Style is enabled. Make sure line width and transparency display are enabled so you can properly judge hierarchy, readability, and overall plotting quality. A professional drawing should still read clearly from far away. If the drawing becomes visually confusing when zoomed out, the hierarchy needs work. Great AutoCAD drawings are not about decoration, they are about clarity, hierarchy, and control. And if you want to learn AutoCAD more deeply, I also have a full course available on Patreon linked below.